Raw Ink Shop back again, another video. How y'all doing? I go by the name of Raw Ink Shop. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can start increasing your sales for your business. So if you're new to my channel, please consider liking and subscribing. So basically, I learned a lot running a clothing brand myself. If you guys don't know, I run a clothing brand called Raw Ink Shop. You can check it out on Instagram or check my website out. But knowing, like, me running the clothing brand, I noticed like a lot of people's like really struggling on making sales, like really like struggling on making sales. So I wanted to make a video for it because, you know what I'm saying, I had a time where I was struggling making sales myself. So for real, like, I feel like as a business person, like, you gonna run through a lot of like trials and errors and stuff. You just got to pretty much like adjust your whatever you got going on, try to make adjustments. So if you got a website, try to adjust the website, take more better photos, professional photos, or basically have like, you want to have like an impression like if you study the other businesses like Nike, Puma, you kind of want to replicate, you know, whatever your like the people that you're in, the field you're in, you want to replicate their website. So if you see like Nike or Puma, you look at their website, most of the like pictures are professional pictures. They probably have like a white backdrop, so you probably gonna need to invest in like equipment, like a backdrop, some lighting and stuff like that. Then after that, you're gonna need like some models and stuff to really just make your brand stand out. Like you kind of don't want to just, you know, have too many like selfies or like, you know, random pictures and stuff like that. You want to make it real professional. That's something I've been doing, trying to do myself too. I'm obviously the owner, but I try to do some photos of myself, and I try to bring other people into it. So another thing is a tip for whatever you're doing, you got to make sure it's kind of like, we in the era of 2000, about to be 2023. TikTok has been the new wave as far as like the internet. So a lot of entertaining content is a good way to go viral. So you got to bring that personality in your business to really like, for somebody to be like, you know, I really want to rock with them. So with me, I've been doing it with my brand. You can look on my Instagram, check it out. I've been working with a lot of influencers and brand ambassadors. So what that's gonna help, it's gonna help boost your like notability up a little bit in your brand, because as a brand owner, you want to have some type of notable, or you want to have somebody wearing your stuff. So I suggest you looking for like influencers or brand ambassadors. I said that in my last video, so go check that out, man. But you want to make sure you have people involved in your brand, kind of like how the other people, like, you know, like I said, go back to the drawing board. Like if you notice, like Nike always use like athletes and stuff to get their brand, like Jordan and, you know, LeBron James and stuff. So they mainly focus on athletes because their brand is for shoe wear, you know what I'm saying? So like if you running a clothing brand, your main focus is trying to find people to like really wear your clothes, whether it could be your everyday people working a 9 to 5, or it could be somebody that's, you know, high profile brand ambassadors or models and stuff like that wearing it. And that's gonna really help boost sales in your brand, because people gonna have the impression like, yo, this brand kind of hard, like people wearing this stuff, you know what I'm saying, this, you know what I mean, they gonna really like rock with it because a lot of people's already in it. Plus you got that new, like I said, the new wave with TikTok. Everybody and their mama on TikTok. So, you know what I mean, if you jumping into that wave with the TikTok era, you know, you keep working, you never know, a video might go viral, and then boom, sales just start rolling in like clockwork, you know what I'm saying? So those are really like real facts on like how you can really just get your brand and get some sales and stuff. So if you found this video helpful, all I ask in return is just give this video a like, drop a comment if you're running a brand, like a clothing brand or any type of brand. I'm pretty sure what advice I gave to you, it could work with any brand. So if you guys found this helpful, give your boy a like, subscribe, and I got you on my next one. Peace.